I'm from Thailand, and you can call me Musa. I came here first time in Bangladesh. It's really,
Tell me something about this Istimewa. How do you enjoy in here?
actually, I feel pretty good because my first time here to visit here. I feel so peaceful. It's a bit different from my country because my country, we don't have much Muslim there, so we came here, we change the community, which is better for me.
We all know the purpose to come here. We just want to know in your mouth, why did you come here? What's your purpose? What's the reason to come here?
Why did I come here? I came here because I want to change myself. I want to change myself to be a better person.
Say something about Bangladeshi people.
Actually, you guys really kind, really helpful, and always smile.
Can you speak in Bengali?
I cannot speak Bengali.
One line, কেমন আছো? কেমন আছো?
Kamon ashor. It's not a bad word. It's not.
It's mean how are you?
How do you say again?
Yeah. How are you? It mean কেমন আছো?
Kamor ashor. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.